This is one investment that I made that is so worth it. Not only am I saving myself time while not scooping litter, I'm actually using and buying less litter too. That's all thanks to the new Litter Robot 5. It's a self-cleaning litter box that does all the scooping for you. It keeps the waste in an odor-blocking compartment that you only have to change when the app tells you to, like every week or so. This new model's waste drawer is actually more spacious without increasing the footprint of the unit, which makes it even easier. It saves so much time and mental energy. It's a win-win all around. Plus, my cat loves it because she has a clean place to do her business. It's so convenient. Check them out at the link below.